Hey y'all, hey. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, you guys, so I'm not a pro, but I do know how to do a thing or two. And you guys, I am here to bring you a tutorial on how to do a winged eyeliner. Y'all see that? I'm gonna do a thing or two with a winged eyeliner. So sit back, relax, and let go. Okay, y'all, so we got actions. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a winged eyeliner. You guys, winged eyeliners, you can use so many different products to achieve a winged eyeliner look. The first that you can use is, of course, these felt tip liquid liners, and this is the Fenty Beauty long wear liquid Flyliner in the shade Cause I'm Black. And I really love these little tips. I love felt tip liquid eyeliners. But when I first started doing eyeliners, y'all, I didn't start off with liquid eyeliners. I started off with gel eyeliners, and this is the CoverGirl Just Give Me Noir eyeliner in the shade Intense Black. And I did a little dipping in there. And this isn't the eyeliner that I initially started out using, you guys. I actually started out using the what was that, the elf gel eyeliner that came in the little square pot. I actually started out using that. And the brush that I actually started out using, I no longer have that brush, y'all, because your girl done upgraded her makeup brushes. But I started out with a liner brush, sort of kind of like this, y'all. And then I started using liner brushes like this, and this is the Real Techniques silicone liner brush. So I started out, and then I upgraded to using little silicone brushes like this, and I found they gave me a little bit more precision. But today, you guys, I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty Flyliner because I really love this, and this is what I used over here on this side. So let's get started. First, I love the fact that you can clip it onto the back, y'all. Brianna girl, that's fancy. And if you see me looking over here, you guys, it's because my mirror is over here. So I am going to first start out by let me flip it to the back. No, I don't want to flip it like that. I want to flip it. I want to keep it like that. Okay, so I'm going to first start out, you guys, by making the actual wing. As far as I want my wing to come out. So it's just a basic little guideline, little 1-2 as to where I want the how far I want the wing to go out, because as you can see, didn't really go out that far. So next I am going to do that one little move right there, y'all. And then I am going to fill in the tail end of this what's this called, y'all? This wing. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a tutorial on something today. Forget what it's called. You see that, you guys? And I'm just going to keep on bringing it in to the middle. And as I'm bringing it in, y'all, I'm also filling it in. And y'all, it's really all in the flick of the wrist. And y'all, for some reason with liquid eyeliner, sometimes of course they will start acting like how mine is and start acting like they just want to go out. So what we're gonna do is, and I actually want to take the little brush that came with it, and this is the brush that came with the CoverGirl gel liner, and we already got that main guideline down. So I'm going to take the brush and get some of the product on the brush and just use that to clean up. And basically make this wing crisper and blacker, because like I said, I'm not too sure what is going on with my Flyliner right now. Girl, you are not acting fly. Okay, and once you are done, you know, you can actually do it out in the front right here, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to let this be that, y'all, and that is how I achieve a wing eye.